Hey everybody, a conical tank with vertex down is 10 feet across, so that means my radius would be 5, so across from here to here is 10, and 12 feet deep. If water is flowing in the tank at a rate of 10 cubic feet per minute, find the rate of change of the depth of water when the water is 8 feet deep. So I went ahead and drew the picture of it, and by similar triangles we know that R is to 5 as H is to 12, because if you look, we have two triangles here. I'll do these different colors. We have our triangle here. That's the smaller one. R is to 5, and then our height, well, our R, so we have R is to 5, and our height here is to 12. So to solve for R, you're going to get R equals 5 over 12H. Therefore, when you use your volume formula of a cone, you get 1/3 pi r squared h, and we're going to go ahead and plug in our R. So that's going to be 25 over 144, if I'm squaring this part, times h squared, so that's going to be h squared times this h. So that's going to end up being h cubed. Alright, so they also say that the volume is changing at a rate of 10 cubic feet per minute. So that means, let's go over here and rewrite this. So derivative of the volume with respect to t equals 10. We also know our formula is derivative of the volume with respect to derivative of t equals 25 pi over 144 h squared. Because our remember the volume was 1/3 pi times 25 over 144 h cubed. So when I take the derivative of this, that's going to cancel out this part, and then we're back to square. Alright, so, and this is times the derivative of the volume with respect to, okay, so this is derivative of h with respect to t. Now, what I want to do is solve for this. So I'm going to flip this. This h squared goes in the numerator. So I really want to solve for the derivative of h with respect to time. So to do that, I'm going to divide both sides by this, and you'll get 144 over 25 pi h squared, derivative of the volume with respect to t. Okay, so now that we have that, we can plug in h. So we're trying to find the derivative of our height with respect to time. So that's going to be 144 over 25 pi, and they gave height as 8 squared, times the derivative of my volume, which is 10. And that's going to give you 9 over 10 pi feet per minute. Okay? That's all. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.